Had to call an audible this week. After crushing it up Belcher Hill on Saturday, I woke up Monday morning not feeling the greatest. Feeling really tired. Stubby nose. Kind of a scratch in my throat. So had to change to a deload week. So that's what I'm doing this week. Monday ended up being just a 20-minute walk on the treadmill at a 7.5% incline for 20 minutes. That was it. That's all I could manage. I didn't do my afternoon walk. I took Monday off from weights because that would have crushed me. Kept me, made things even worse. Wednesday was a rest day. Today, Thursday, got up, came in, still not feeling the best, but got up here, getting my treadmill in right now. Not much of an incline today, but I'm moving, getting the stuff pumped through. Hopefully, come Saturday, I'll feel better. We'll see how tomorrow is. I got weights tomorrow, light weights tomorrow. So I'll see how I feel after that. And then Saturday is Belcher. Since I'm doing a deload week, I'll do half of what I did last week. So I'll just do 45 minutes uphill, then turn around. So we'll see how it goes.